Come test drive the 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.